This video is part of a tutorial series on research methods for sport and exercise science, and it is brought to you by Edgerton's Garage Gym.
What is Pearson's correlation? Pearson's correlation is a statistical test used to determine the relationship between two variables. An R value is used to describe the strength and direction of the relationship between the two variables of interest. And R values range from +1, which represents a perfect positive relationship, to -1, which represents a perfect negative relationship. An R value of 0 means the two variables are completely unrelated. So a positive correlation denotes that as one variable increases in value, so does the other. And a likely example of that is going to be something like the bench press 1 rep max and body mass. Generally speaking, we'd probably expect to see greater bench press scores in individuals with more body mass. On the other hand, we might expect the opposite trend with respect to something like long distance running performance. In general terms, as body mass goes up, performance might be expected to go down in endurance events. That would denote a negative correlation and would be represented by a negative R value. Now, an important point to mention when discussing Pearson's R is that correlation does not prove causation. A very strong relationship between two variables does not necessarily mean one causes the other, and that's because it's possible that any such correlation could actually be due to the common influence of another variable. So with the bench press example, it's unlikely that high levels of body mass are causative with respect to 1 rep max scores. Instead, it's more likely that skeletal muscle mass has a causal relationship with lifting performance, and individuals with greater levels of muscle mass also tend to be heavier than those carrying less muscle mass.
If you found this information useful, please like the video. And for more information on research methods for sport and exercise science, please subscribe to Edgerton's Garage Gym.